What are you doing?
I'm building a snowman.
Wow. Jerry, don't cover ate.
Snowman. Of course. I have to make it the circle. Oh, there. That's how we make it. I can help up. No. Oh, no thanks. I could do it by myself. I have to. Maybe there. Maybe a little bit higher.
Look here, Jerry. Hi. Are you having fun? Not so much. Oh no.
I'm so cool.
You feel so cold? You have to buy a leather gloves.
What are leather?
Come here. Look here. Breezy girl.
I'm just building a snowman.
Okay.
The snow is too thin.
Behind is the lake.
Don't break my snowman! Here around. Ta-da! Oh no.
Can I see? Oh.
Wait, not yet. We forgot to put the buttons. Yeah. This thick snow.
Wait, Reese. Reese, wait. Okay, so I'll take you. I'll take you a mini snowman.
Wait.
I'll take you a
Where
mini
did you
snowman.
get that?
Smile. Girls. 1, 2, 3.